The issue for independent television, the Waka Way the way it's supposed to be. One thing we beat all of us, no matter what. And do somewhere one day, I come to one moment, say they cry. What they happen? Say, if mama die, money cry. Come and say, okay, don't do chop now. I say, no, if you chop, why mama die? I say, no, what you chop? No, I say they cry. Say chop, so you get power, take cry. Anything you want to do, you need food, so you get power, take do. So if you say yes, you want to. Even Christmas, the Christmas, you need food, so I go take Chris away. Christmas say, Chris, nothing bad this side. So I let the Waka Way this side. Everybody still will be say bad this side. If not, Chris now one thing when we say they enjoy. I let the Waka Way say this side too plenty. Anyway, we'll look about one thing when we say we talk. We talk there whether you like them or not. Again, one thing we talk about food. How food to the Waka they go for Edo State. Our country, Nigeria and Edo State. And the matter when we want to look now. How will take give a direction? How will take do our when we say yes, say food it go there for us to the eat where. I go ask, I go between people there where we say their mouth the sharp where we say concern matters them. One man the sharp where we say concern matters we say concern food. The other mouth matter your man the sharp where for matter when we say concern people there where we say they for the street. So come bring it together now. How we take do the matter maybe say Waka Way. Mr. Amayo, our brother when we say there, Mr. Welcome to our program.
Yeah.
I greet you well.
Good morning, Mr. Sado. I say good morning to our people for us.
Okay, we deal with one president here. The president now we say the president of Conference of Nigeria,
Conference of
non-governmental organizations, Congo. So I greet you well.
I salute you, sir.
I take him myself because I may give myself a rich man. I don't know how I do.
Viewers at home, I greet you now.
No, so you know one person will be like say if they talk about agriculture for those states, they never call they be like say they never start and everything. More start from here. How you feel say yes, say matter when we say concern Greek, the Waka now for those state. How you feel say the Waka now for the state?
I go talk to my people for house, our great farmers for us. I greet all our farmers, those ones within the rural community, our smallholder farmers. I greet all of them. I say good morning this morning, and I thank them for the work that they do. I go say for the first time for those states, this year I mean they say light won't really come for agriculture. That farming won't take the right place we're supposed to take for the states. The team is say. You will look say for the state for the past how many years you look from 2011 to date, agriculture not really move well for Edo State. Even though some small things they come for farmers, they not feel move well. And what make not feel move well? We say the state not get what they call agricultural policy. Because if that policy not there in place,
that will be like grammar now.
And grammar, that policy, when we say policy, that say the rules, the things where they guide that we go say, see as we
see where you go
pass, see what you go do, see what you not supposed to do, we go make our Greek take work. So those things not there in place. And then our organization, what we can't carry out, we can't get what they call consultants, make person help us find out why this farming, why this agric not they work well. I tell you, we come find and say, well, when I not get that paper away, they go tell you say,
when they call agricultural policy,
so when they call agricultural policy, say, see where you are supposed to go, see what you are supposed to do, see how you are supposed to they do this one every year for make agric for work, make farmers for the smart. So when we come to say,
make farmer for the smart, make the society for
the society for the smart better because when farmers produce surplus food, so the society people go chop well. Now we come find out that thing, and the time we come find out, we come find out okay. These problems so they only will not feed one. We can't get to the work with other different organizations.
Sorry, I'll come to that area.
So now the agriculture now the state where we did now for those states say that paper will not there already now government don't sit down say we won't put that policy in place. They already the draft announced and they talk for Ministry of Agric. Okay. So okay, that way Agric will go follow. We won't already do and we won't put that.
Okay. You see what we don't they get for right from time they say people know they too much they believe in government because they look and say, especially when they campaign, we'll do this one, we'll do this one, we'll do this one, we'll do this one, we'll do this one. Every time for government, we go do. Now we they hear. You understand? We know they could they see that one say, as I talk and so I constantly do one. That they make people at times they draw body for when we say government, they talk matter. But somebody like you now when we say Congos, the non-governmental organizations, they come out, they say they're not there for government, they're not there for this, they stand for the path of truth. Well, how you come feel and say, if agricultural policy day, what will be the conviction when you get to the fifth follow that into the latter? Say, Agric, you can't do okay for people.
My brother, I thank you very well. You see, for government to move forward, to work with the people, if they not get paper, we guide them. Any society will not get what they guide them. They feel they live like animal. that make this effective agricultural policy come to play, so that they go fit guide government in terms of budgeting, in terms of when they want make laws or anything we go better the farmers. That make this policy come very handy, because everybody go contribute. Everybody go talk waiting how they want make this law or this policy be.
Okay, you want like a town hall meeting? I've been waiting.
Not be town hall meeting.
Because you say everybody go contribute.
Everybody, because the office of the ESCAFA, the Edo State Farmer Association, did there, where you get your own contribution. Because we go local government by local government to go talk to people. So you see waiting there on ground, so that if you get anything where you want add, not be say when tomorrow. When they don't do, you say they not consult, they not can tell you, may you add your own. These are the kind of they take the policy, they go to our rural area, because that one are where it did. Because what if this one want to, this policy want to, you go agree with me that when oil boom come, we all leave our villages, we come city. Now with this policy, now we want to make we leave this city, go back to our rural area, because that one then are where the farmlands they. Now they will go make the farm. So with the beg government, make them make the roads accessible, make them create road to farmland, make them do all those ones, so that all of us, make them get tractors across maybe Edo South, Edo North, Edo Central, where farmers go there, go rent with small money, not with big money, so that people like us will feel embrace farming. Graduate wey join the lead school will feel embrace farming. The issue was say make me go school, go farm with hoe and cutlass. Now that one we try. Now that one this agricultural policy one address, and the issue make government do their own. That 10% by Maputo declaration, make them make sure say that 10% then they reflect on for the budget of every year.
The channel where me and they get now. See where if you to talk now, don't talk about like Maputo
declaration.
Okay, Maputo na somewhere be. Okay.
Maputo na when the African leaders, all the different African leaders meet in 2003 for Maputo.
Maputo, they were that
Maputo
one,
declaration that
Uganda.
No, Maputo not be Uganda.
Zimbabwe. Okay, well, Maputo na one place.
Now one country for they forget the main country now. When the African country, all of them come sit down together like this, they come talk say for agri to work, because the problem of Africa today not be problem of aeroplane, not be problem of television to work. The problem with the Africa is Africa they run out of food not there for the people to eat. A lot of people starvation there, many homes. People don't they fit chop the 3 square meal for Africa. Then they sit down and say for agri to work, there must be compulsory 10% mandatory. You must say for your total budget, if your budget now 100 naira, 1 naira, you must make sure say about 10 naira. 10 naira for agri.
But the challenge one meeting with the say yes, say now one thing for government to bring this money come out. What about the managers of this money?
And that's it.
You understand? Because government Victor say yes, say what did they say? We bring 10 out of our 100 naira one before the total budget. 10% then be 10 naira. Now we want to put 10 naira for agriculture in line with the agricultural policy. You understand? And when they put out like that, bam. And somebody now, maybe government go first sign, say me they release the money. Before you know, you go up, you go past one person's hand, pass another person's hand, pass another person's hand. You 10 naira when they break before you call reach the farmer's hand. People they will say you go use that direct. You call surprise say yes, I don't say the thing go short too, but we come look like 10 naira again. And this one, how people go take
so now those things the policy won't address. If you see the model where would they use now, we call and say the way we want to do this policy. Say as we talk now, the farmer actually don't need the money, not the money farmers need. What do the farmers need now? Look, as we talk now, as my brother they talk just now. If you say you want to open up 10,000 hectares or 10 hectares today, as government assist farmers use bulldozer to open up. Now we will not talk for last and whole again on our tractor. The tractors go there available. The policy go do and say tractor go there available. The bank go pay the tractor man, we go prepare the farmland, they go plow, harrow and ridge. Once they don't reach, tractors still the way they plant the cassava stem. You the farmer now to always supervise. Say your cassava stem, they put out for the back of the tractor they plant am. When tractor plant finish, tractor the way they apply fertilizer. Tractor the way they apply chemical herbicide to kill the weed for you. All these ones policy now go address all these things.
But this kind of one when you talk so before I come to my brother, they come in Abolu. They should say yes, say farmers go lose their job this time. Maybe like say now tractor they use for tractor. No. Before what would they grow up? Wait now, what would they grow up now? Maybe my power bonus 10. You get land. Okay, Thomas, you farm for this side. Tony farm from this side. Destiny farm from this side. no suffer from this side and everything. You understand? We go get many hands, but now tractor they come. Say tractor what this, tractor what this, what this. By irrigation, where the farmer come they work now?
Yeah, the farmer work. The farmer not supposed to suffer. Just be like as before abroad.
Okay.
Because now because of the method where we take the farm here.
Now because they need many hands.
Farming not good. Farming not good. See, when you do this model, so you as the farmer, now smile, you go smile. You see your tractor, they do everything. The entire process. The man where they drive the tractor, they earn a living. You understand? You they pay a salary. From then they take care of your family. The man where you they buy fertilizer, they buy your inputs from. Then they make money for himself. You the farmer, you they only the trade where you get say you they want make sure say at every particular time when they're supposed to do this one, you they do them. And once you they do them, if you use cutlass and hoe, the tonnage where you go make for like cassava now say 1 hectare. If you use cutlass and hoe, you make 8 tons of cassava. But when you use tractor, you go make 30 tons of cassava. And 30 tons of cassava, so maybe you sell 1 ton at 20,000. Meanwhile, the current price for a ton of cassava then at 45,000. So you know the kind of money you want to make. You make more money than when you do cutlass and hoe, they make small money. That make many people they discourage or say they don't want to do farm. And there are farmers, they'll do small. The small way that they do now to sell small for market, then the small way that they take up. But now when do this policy will help farmers, they make more money for their pockets. Farmers go they make more money. Because food go there for everybody. Raw materials go there for new industries we won't come up. The government too go they make money for themselves because first of all, the people, the young people where they talk say they go they collect, they commit crime. They go into robbery, go into this. Guess what they say they don't go abroad for prostitution. The boys so you see they cross river, go die for it river. They don't go they go again because they'll cause see farming. Say they very
lucrative.
What they call attractive money they the farming. The money when you want to go fight for abroad, the same money you will feel make here. Okay. Now if I they tell people say now because of say Edo State will not get what they call that agriculture policy.
They don't get plan.
They don't get the plan. Now, if we get that policy, they grant now. The kind money, the kind people we won't go into agric. People nobody won't go abroad. What you want to go do for abroad? Okay, you only go for visiting.
No problem.
But our farmers will they make money.
Okay.
But for achieve this, that paper, that document, that policy,
it has to be
now. Why would they television? So would they tell people say would they do policy now? Say would they tell us say me if you go Ministry of Agric now, they draft the agric policy. And if you know say it gets one change where you know say you want to make it happen for the agric sector, you want to say if we do this one like this, it go work for agric. You wait there your house now. We'll give you a number later. We'll give you address. You will send your contribution.
Okay. Okay.
We'll come if we put this one into place, agric go work or agric go change.
Okay.
So not every time when they criticize government now to find solutions to our problem now. So that when we find that solution, all of us suffer together. Everybody go there happy.
Okay. See the way it be say don't talk now, brother. Nabili. You see one thing when we say it go be like say with the draft constitution now, with the draft law, with the plan and everything. It be like say they call they say or if you don't see you get how you go take the agriculture you go take wakao and everything. Come give this thing. But what if the guarantee now say Thomas I don't work out there as person when we say want to do farming. Akotoka says no, the whole what do they call it before? Whole and cutlass before. We don't get industrial cutlass and the rest how we go take down. If there's anything like that, that will take down and the rest. What if the guarantee say somebody like me if you put my matter inside there?
See, as in talk just now, we go give before now we don't give numbers, offices. If you come to Congo's office, if you get anything, any small waiting you want make we add. Come Congo's office or come Escafal office for down Saple Road. Call drop am. Then we go take am go the Ministry of Agriculture because as we talk now, people did the way they draft am. The way they work on it.
You know say when by the time matter don dey pass one hand to another hand.
No, it is guaranteed. Now if you come Congo's office, now me will go pick am myself. Take and go there because I'll be part of that policy whatever. Not part of the policy whatever. We go not be say we go send our staff we go pick and no. We go look am then we go take and go there. As it dey not be say we go add join am before we carry and go there. All of us go look am. But you see there is a way you take you take the correct ones. We know say it fit into that policy. We go run with am.
You see now that area they look now. You say you go take the correct one wey fit to the policy.
Yes.
You see wetin fit. What is destiny feel like? If this thing go work. If you not be waiting on certain things, say yes, it will work. And if it come different from the kind of idea where me I get.
You see, You see this policy when we say bring am, they are experts
Okay.
in this agricultural policy. Not be say na just bring am, we just put am there like that. We go look at if you
study am.
exactly if the English not correct, we go put the English well.
Okay.
Now na wetin
the plan no correct.
we go put am. Now na wetin we dey
The most
talk.
important say make we get the idea.
Exactly. Which they want, they put am the way. Not that way our government say we don't come out from recession. So we believe say wetin happen before wey we get oil boom in the 70s, wey e come again, we come get another oil boom during Babangida. Now we don't come back to recession again. We know say in the day na because of lack of plan before. Now that we don't come out from recession.
No plan well.
No, we plan it out because not be say plan away. We will get alternative.
Okay.
That no, we leave that wetin big grammar called the sack economy. That economy will be one way. No, we make a two way with agriculture, diversify ahead the big oyibo. Now this
Why first no be big oyibo? What is
okay.
no be big oyibo.
No, say na afternoon school I go.
Okay.
Now we dey talk.
Okay.
So now to come out of that
if somebody
area.
like me now, I want to contribute to this kind of plan. When be say you come, I dey hear just and say, it's my come Congo's office. Where Congo's office dey?
You dey number 58 IC Road, off Fire Road.
Okay. If you say Escafa office, I believe you call it. Where that Escafa office?
Our office, Edo State Cooperative Farmers Agency, our secretariat dey number 20 Wabogo Road, off Saple Road. And if you still go Ministry of Agri, you just ask of the Director of Planning, Research and Statistics. Now I be the secretary to the draft committee, so that in case you get any contribution, anything wey you know say go fit change agri, you go there, go put am. And we still dey use this medium as we dey on air, so we still dey tell everybody, the stakeholders, we say this policy no go fit work if the budgetary allocation, if that is the money wey you put for agric, e no dey high.
So by application, government dey talk to
so
them.
na government we still dey talk to everybody wey dey into government. The governor, I no go lie to you, I will be very fair for the
So
first
far they try.
so far the governor for the first time, if we write letters to other governors since, we write letter, governor no dey lis ten. The first time we write letter to governor say, look at this issue, if you do everything for agric, build all the fertilizer company, do all these ones, do everything, if that paper no dey ground, agric policy wey go guide all those things, e no go work. And the governor just see that memo for the first time, we say a governor meaningful say yes, this is a very good one, make dem start the drafting of this agric policy. Now we take this one, we start the drafting.
So what did they be saying now? Now very the question, because if I ask you one question, I say we we talk now. In case now I be farmer, I want to contribute to this agric policy. You say either make I go to the Ministry of Agric,
or you
I
come as secretariat.
wait first now. I come as secretariat when you call the address just now. What do you call the address just now?
Plot 20, number 20 of Wabogo Road. The Wabogo Road, they after winners, then that's Saple Road.
Okay.
So
then for there we go sit down for you make the contribution.
You
there.
make your contribution.
Or we'll
With their phone numbers.
Wait first now they come now. You two they jump they come. Then we fit go
Number 58
Congo's office for
Yeah.
there. You go put all these things for that place when we see yes, we fit carry the matter and go there. Okay. It too that means say may I fit still get my contribution through phone?
Yes.
Okay. If I want to call this thing, which number I go use?
And you go call 080 233 19472.
Take the number again.
080 233 19472.
Or
080 78 666 201.
you know that number the way to talk and call them again. That's the plate inside.
080 78 666 201.
Thank you very much. So my people, they talk since our two brothers, the when they can tell us if we know say food. Now one thing when we see we all of us will need. Let me say if we know we need that well. And the way we see yes, we take give direction for agric for Edo State. Now we say all of us they talk about and they tell us now say what you do, see what you do. If like they draft the law now, so now your own turn when we say yes, you will contribute. So all of us, it should be work, not be what my own. No. Everybody need to put hand for the load so we will carry and so food go there for all of us to eat. Thank you so much, my brother Nusa. Let's say I tell you now my fish when BC say I supposed to get. I talk and everybody they hear.
Yes.
Start the whole me fish. I don't see the fish.
No, you'll get your fish tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
bless you.
Tomorrow I start to do. We'll not go past tomorrow. I need to get my fish. But I will take one break. We'll come and continue for where BC will start. Then my program Good Morning from Benin. Other issues they want BC will take. Stay with us.